Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe Premier. This one is fitted with the 5.3 V8. Pretty easy to use once you get the hang of it. Total price on this one comes to $73,355. This is a new color, I do believe. Graywood metallic. It's like a brownish gray. It's a really pretty color over jet black. This has the premium package and the 22-inch wheels, which I absolutely love. Really nice materials in these now. Pretty nice sunroof. All right, let's go for a drive. Start out in normal mode. Really a well-driving vehicle. No complaints. And now moving it over onto sport mode. That's because we'll be driving in some tighter, twistier roads. Put it in sport mode. tightens up steering, changes transmission tuning, increases throttle response. It's really, it makes it almost like a Tahoe RS. It's pretty cool. Actually, no, it would be an SS, because what I've learned, RS is V6, SS is V8. In a roundabout way. I mean, you have the Trailblazer RS, which is a 1.3, but same basic concept. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.